In a sunlit kitchen, a curious maker blends white glue with water and a dash of iron oxide to create a magnetic slime that reveals hidden forces. Using a simple borax solution, the slime thickens and becomes a living map that responds to a small bar magnet slid beneath the bowl. As the magnet approaches, the slime flows toward it and then gracefully parts away, creating shimmering patterns that trace the unseen field lines. The setup stays safe and clear, inviting viewers to swap magnets and vary strength to observe different responses. The final reveal adds tiny iron filings in resin to visualize the lattice of magnetism for a dramatic finishing touch.